Yeah. Some love stories are written in books, some are written in the stars, but ours was written by the ocean in the sand. I saw you standing by the shoreline, underneath the morning sunshine. The waves were dancing at your feet, and my heart skipped to the island beat. The breeze was singing through the trees, carrying your love to me. No words were needed, no promises made, just two hearts where the ocean played. I remember that beautiful day, when the clouds moved out of the way. The world felt quiet, the sky turned blue, and all I saw was me and you. Oh my love, can you feel the tide? The ocean keeps our dreams alive. Every wave that reaches the shore says our love will last forevermore. Our island love is written in the sand, a beautiful story made by your hand. Even when the waves come and go, our hearts will remember what they know. Island love beneath the sky so wide, with you forever by my side. No storm can wash our dreams away. Our love will remain written in the sand, forever in my heart. We walked together under moonlight, holding each other through the night. The stars were shining like diamonds above, witnessing our island love. The palm trees move with the reggae sound, peace and happiness all around. Your laughter was my favorite song, the place where my heart belongs. I've traveled roads and crossed the sea, but nothing feels like you and me, because paradise is not a place, it's the feeling of your embrace. Oh my love, the years may fly like clouds passing through the sky, but every moment we have shared will always show how much we care. Our island love is written in the sand, a beautiful story made by your hand. Even when the waves come and go, our hearts will remember what they know. Island love beneath the sky so wide, with you forever by my side. No storm can wash our dreams away. Our love will remain written in the sand, forever in my heart. If the ocean rises high and the seasons change with time, I will still be standing here, holding on to you, my dear, because true love is like the sea, deep, endless and free. Every wave that touches land carries the love we made in the sand. Now we watch the sunset together, knowing our love grows stronger forever. From the first day until today, you are the reason I smile this way. The island knows our melody, the waves sing our harmony, and every star that shines at night reminds me our love is bright. No treasure found The waves may move, the seasons may change, but true love leaves a mark, forever written in the sand. Yeah. Yeah. Some people bring a little light into your day, but some people become the light. Every time you smile, the whole world feels warmer. I was walking through a cloudy day, trying to find my own way, carrying dreams and a little pain, searching for a reason to smile again. Then you came like the morning sun, a new beginning had just begun. With a simple look, with a gentle face, you brought peace into my empty space. The ocean breeze was passing by, golden colors filled the sky, and in that moment I understood your love was something truly good. Oh my love, don't you know, you make the darkest moments glow like a sunrise after the rain. You take away my yesterday's pain. Your smile feels like sunshine, breaking through the clouds of mine. Every time you look my way, you bring a brighter day. Your smile feels like sunshine, a treasure I could never find. No ocean, no mountain, no distance too far could hide the light that you are. We dance slowly under island skies, with the moon reflected in your eyes. The reggae rhythm fills the air, and I feel your love everywhere. Palm trees moving with the breeze, sweet music floating through the seas. Every heartbeat feels brand new, because every road leads back to you. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your love is worth more than riches untold. The greatest blessing I've ever known is having a heart that feels like home. Oh my love, stay close to me. You are my sweetest melody. Through every season, come what may, your light will guide my way. Your smile feels like sunshine, breaking through the clouds of mine. Every time you look my way, you bring a brighter day. Your smile feels like sunshine, a treasure I could never find. No ocean, no mountain, no distance too far could hide the light and that you are. When the night falls and the stars appear, I still feel your love right here, like a fire that will never fade, like a promise that will never break. If tomorrow brings a stormy sky, I'll stand with you side by side, because your love has shown me the way to find beauty in every day. Now I wake up with a grateful heart, knowing we have a brand new start. Every moment, every place feels better because I see your face. The island waves can sing our song. A love like this can last so long. And when the world turns cold and gray, your sunshine will light my way. Forever I will always know the greatest gift that life can show is not the places we may find, but the love that makes us shine. Oh my love, forever true, my heart found a home in you. Like the sun that lights the sea, your love keeps shining over me. Your smile feels like sunshine, breaking through the clouds of mine. Every time forever, island light. Yeah, keep smiling, because somewhere, someone's world becomes brighter because of your light. Yeah, some moments don't need 1,000 words, just the ocean, the breeze, and the one you love beside you, under the coconut tree with you. I remember that summer evening when the golden sun was leaving. You were walking by the shore, and I knew I wanted nothing more. The waves were dancing with the sand. You placed your heart into my hands. No fancy words, no promises made, just a beautiful love we found that day. The palm leaves moved above our heads, while the sky turned orange and red. And in the silence of the sea, you found a home inside of me. Oh my love, can you feel the breeze? It carries our hearts across the seas. Every moment, every night, you make my whole world feel alright. Under the coconut tree with you, where the skies are always blue, holding hands beside the ocean tide, with your love right by my side. Under the coconut tree with you, every dream feels fresh and new. No treasure in the world could ever be more beautiful than you and me. We listen to the island sound with peaceful rhythms all around. The guitar plays a gentle tune while we dance beneath the moon. Your laughter is my favorite song, the place where my heart belongs. Every smile you give to me feels like waves of harmony. I don't need a palace or gold. Your love is worth more than stories told, because paradise is not the view, paradise is being close to you. Oh my love, stay here tonight. Let the stars become our light. Let the ocean sing our name, and let our hearts remain the same. Under the coconut tree with you, where the skies are always blue, holding hands beside the ocean tide, with your love right by my side. Under the coconut tree with you, every dream feels fresh and new. No treasure in the world could ever be more beautiful than you and me. If the years keep moving on and the seasons come and go, I will still remember this place where our love began to grow. When the world becomes too fast, I will return to our past, to the sound of waves so true, and that coconut tree with you. Now every sunrise tells our story, every sunset holds our glory. From the first day until today, your love has never faded away. The ocean knows the words we say, the wind remembers every day, and even when the night is long, your love remains my sweetest song. I found my peace, I found my home. I never have to walk alone, because wherever life may lead, your love is all I'll ever need. Oh my love, forever stay. You are my sunshine every day, to every ocean, every land. I'll always hold your loving hand. Under the coconut tree treasure in the world could ever be more beautiful than you and me. Under the coconut tree, under the coconut tree, where my heart is free, forever you and me. Yeah, the waves will keep rolling, the stars will keep shining, and I'll always remember that moment under the coconut tree with you. Yeah. Listen to the ocean. Every wave carries a memory. Every breeze tells a story. And tonight the sea is whispering your name. I'm standing where the blue waves meet the shore, thinking of the love I'm grateful for. The sunset paints the sky with gold, and your story is the one my heart holds. I remember the day we met by the sea, when your smile brought peace to me. The world was quiet, the moment was true, like the ocean knew I was meant for you. The palm trees danced with the evening breeze, a gentle song came through the leaves, and I felt something I couldn't explain, like a beautiful message carried by the rain. Oh my love, can you hear it too? The ocean is calling me back to you. Every wave that touches the land feels like your heart holding mine. The ocean whispers your name like a soft and endless flame. Every wave that comes to me brings your love across the sea. The ocean whispers your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Through the night and through the day, your love never fades away. I walk along the shoreline slow, where the gentle island breezes blow. Footprints written in the sand, like a promise only we understand. The moon is shining on the water bright, turning darkness into light. And I close my eyes and I can feel a love so strong, a love so real. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your love is the greatest story told, a treasure no one can ever see, but it means everything to me. Oh my love, wherever you are my moon, you are my star. No distance can take away the love we built along the way. The ocean whispers your name like a soft and endless flame. Every wave that comes to me brings your love across the sea. The ocean whispers your name. Nothing will ever be the same. Through the night and through the day, your love never fades away. When the storms arrive and skies turn gray, I will remember our beautiful days, because true love moves like the tide, always returning, never denied. And when I hear the ocean call, I know your love is with me through it all. The waves may travel far away, but my heart with you will always stay. Now I watch the sunrise every morning with a heart that's no longer worrying, because I know what love can do when one soul finds another true. The ocean sings our melody, a song that belongs to you and me, and every star above the sea reminds me of what you mean to me. Forever moving, forever free, like the waves dancing endlessly. No matter where this life may go, my love for you will always always near. In every wave, in every breeze, your love is carried through the seas. The ocean whispers your name like a soft and endless flame. Every wave that comes to me brings your love across the sea. The ocean whispers your name, forever calling just the same. Through the years and through the tide, I'll keep your love here inside. The ocean whispers your name. My heart knows the way, yeah. When the world gets quiet, listen closely. The ocean remembers. The ocean whispers your name. Yeah. Some love burns like fire, some love shines like the stars, but the deepest love moves like the river, always flowing, always finding its way. I found you where the morning meets the light, underneath the beautiful island sky. The world was moving, but we stood still, two hearts connected by a feeling so real. The gentle breeze was calling our name, the ocean waves were dancing the same. And in your eyes I saw a place where my heart could finally rest in grace. I never knew a love so true until the day I found you, like a river finding the sea. You became a part of me. Oh my love, can you feel the flow? Like the river where the wild winds blow. No mountain high, no road too far can change the way you are. My love flows like the river, getting stronger forever. Through the valleys, through the rain, it keeps calling your name. My love flows like the river, pure and endless forever. No ocean can wash away the love I feel today. Oh, we walk together beneath the palm trees, listening to the song of the seas. The reggae rhythm fills the air, and I know I'm blessed because you're there. The years may come and the seasons change, life may bring sunshine and rain, but I promise I will always stand with your heart held in my hands. I don't need riches, I don't need fame, I only need your love the same. Because every road I travel through feels like home when I'm with you. Oh my love, don't be afraid, true love never disappears or fades. Like the river running deep and wide, I'll always be right by your side. My love flows like the river, getting stronger forever. Through the valleys, through the rain, it keeps calling your name. My love flows like the river, pure and endless forever. No ocean can wash away the love I feel today. Hey. When the storm clouds cover the sky, and the tears begin to fall from your eyes, I will be the hand you hold, the warmth you need when nights are cold. Because love is not just the word we say, it's the choice we make every day. It's the river that keeps moving on, even when the night feels long. Hey. Now I watch the sunset with you near, and I feel no reason to fear. every moment becomes a song, a melody that carries on. The river knows where it must go, through every season, through every road. And my heart knows what is true. Every path leads back to you, from the first hello to the final day. I'll never let this love fade away, because what we have is something rare, a love that will always be there. Oh my love, forever shine. Your heart will always be part of mine, like the river meets the ocean blue. My soul will always flow to you. My love flows like the river, getting stronger forever, through the valleys, through the rain. It keeps calling your name. My love flows like the river, pure and endless forever. No ocean can wash away the love I feel today. My love flows like the river, forever and ever, flowing back to you. Yeah, yeah. The river keeps moving, the heart keeps loving, and my love will always flow to you. Yeah. Under the golden sky, where the ocean meets the land, I found something money could never buy, a love that feels like forever, forever yours. Under the palm trees, yeah. I remember when I saw your face, standing in that beautiful place. The island breeze was passing by, and love was written in your eyes. The waves were singing a gentle tune, while we danced beneath the moon. No need for words, no need to prove, my heart's already found its groove. The palm trees swayed above our heads, while the sunset painted gold and red. And in that moment I knew it was true, my heart had found a home with you. Oh my love, stay close to me. You are my sweetest melody. Through every season, come what may, I'll choose your love every day. Forever yours, under the palm trees, where love moves like the ocean breeze. Holding your hand beneath the sky, with you is where my dreams come alive. Forever yours, under the palm trees. You are my heart's sweet harmony, no matter where the road may lead. Your love is all I'll ever need. We walked along the sandy shore, finding pieces of forevermore. Every footprint in the sand was a promise made by our hands. The island lights began to glow as the evening winds began to flow, and a reggae rhythm filled the night. Everything felt so pure and right. I don't need diamonds, I don't need gold. Your love is worth more than treasures told, because the greatest gift I've found is the peace when you're around. Oh my love, don't let me go. You're the only place I know when the world is moving fast. You your eyes, for the laughter and the memories, for the love that sets me free. The island knows our favorite song, a melody that carries on. And when the stars light up the night, your love becomes my guiding light. Wherever life may take our way, I love you more with every day, because my heart already knows you're the place where my spirit goes. Oh, my love, forever stay. You are my sunshine every day, under the moon, beneath the trees. You are my island melody, forever yours, under the palm tree, where love moves like the ocean breeze, holding your hand beneath the sky. With you is where my dreams come alive. Forever yours, under the palm tree. You are my heart's sweet harmony, no matter where the road may lead. Your love is all I ever need. Forever yours, under the palm trees, forever you and me. Yeah. The waves will keep dancing, the palms will keep swaying, and my heart will keep saying, forever yours, under the palm